Let's make this custom coffee mug for a customer. First you need premium white vinyl. Put it onto your green standard grip Cricut mat, then slide it into the Cricut machine and press the load button. Once the Cricut button lights up, press to start cutting. When it's finished cutting, press the lid up button to unload, and take off the vinyl. Next you'll need to cut the vinyl off the sheet. You will need to weed out the design with the Cricut weeding tool. Next you will need strong transfer tape. Measure the size you need and cut, then carefully put the transfer tape over the design. Get your mug. Get an alcohol swab to clean the surface. Once it dries, carefully stick on the design. Then peel off the transfer paper. Done.